Exercise 3a, question number 3. We have got a sketch. We want to give the equation of the sketch. So step number 1, identify if it's a sine, cosine, or tangent. Based on the shape, we know that it's a sine graph because I can see both a bottom loop and a top loop. A cos graph would look like that, and a tangent would look like that. So I now know, yes, this is a sine graph. Y is equal to space sine of theta. My next step is to draw a little sketch of what sine of theta would look like. So my sketch would look like this, to say over here at this point I have +1 and -1. Next up, is this a reflection? Now I'm going to look at this and I'm going to say on my graph I go up then down, and on this one I go down then up. So to answer the question, yes, there is a reflection because it's going in the opposite direction. Y is negative sine of theta. Next I look at an amplitude change. So under normal circumstances, my amplitude is the distance from flat line to the peak, which in this instance is 1. From flat line to the lowest peak, it's also -1. So normally my amplitude would be equal to 1. In the sketch that they give me, my amplitude from the flat line to the highest point is actually 2 units. And the same for the bottom one, it's 2 units. So here, this is the amplitude here is equal to 1, but the amplitude here is equal to 2. This means that yes, there is a change in the amplitude, and the amplitude now is 2. So I place a 2 on my equation. Last step, is there a vertical or horizontal shift? At this point, the answer is no. So the answer to this question is -2 sine of theta.